Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Telegram and you will enter here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Here you can announce clear up and you can answer it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.